Hi, I'm Jennifer Branchini. I've been a realtor for 20 years. During those 20 years, I've gotten married to my husband Cam, and together we're raising our 3 children, Kate, who is 17, Brooke, 13, and Grant, who's 10. You're going to get a chance to hear from them. Since starting in real estate, I've been a full-time realtor. Working in a family brokerage, I was encouraged to get involved by my aunt, who had served as our association's president and a C.A.R. director. Having served on various committees over the years, I decided to make the commitment to be part of leadership by running for treasurer of the Bay East Association of Realtors, and then continued on as president.
All right, so Jen was closing up a deal, and one of the other agents was having a hard time with his client, and she said, look, the reason I'm a good agent is I'm a good communicator, I'm very transparent, and I'm obviously #1 for my client's best interest. So that's why I'm voting for Jennifer Branchini. Oh, bad chicken though.
I will be focusing on 3 areas that I believe are vital to the future of the real estate profession. The first is vision. As an organization, it's imperative that we continue to be laser focused on the rapid changes in our industry and the consumers we serve. It will be achieved by remaining open-minded, nimble, and engaged. The second is voice. It's vital our members use their voice to set the direction for our organization. Local, proactive, grassroots advocacy puts us at the forefront of threats to consumers and to the real estate industry. Our 200,000 members are the backbone of this organization and the communities they serve. The third is value. C.A.R. demonstrates its knowledge of our members by providing benefits that have a direct positive impact on their success in this real estate industry. As treasurer of the California Association of Realtors, it will be my mission to lead with vision, engage the members' voice, and demonstrate the value to our members.
Seeing my mom throughout the past couple of years just really get involved with a lot of things has really inspired me. Since 7th grade, she really encouraged me to go out there and find something that I'm passionate about. So I was involved with the youth commission at such a young age, and that was mainly because of her encouragement and support, and then also just of what an inspiration she is with all the work that she does.
So Jennifer not only is my wife, the mother of our children, but she is a great realtor. She started in the industry when we started dating. She got her license, has gone through the highs and lows of the industry, and she's been great all the way through it. You can see the passion in her and how much she loves the industry, loves teaching everybody about it, and obviously she's #1 in my book.
My focus from the beginning of my involvement has been to help the association plan for the future through strategic action and leadership development, and it continues to be my passion today. I believe this strength and this unique time in our industry is extremely exciting and full of opportunities, and I'm the right person to serve in the treasurer role, leading our strategic direction. You can expect from me as C.A.R. treasurer to listen, be prepared, and to execute our plan together with you.
So what do you think your mom does when she's traveling?
Walks hard and plays hard, and weird tough stuff.
I've learned that if you love your job as much as she does, that it makes it easier to work hard, and that's how you can really make a difference.
So you've learned a little bit about me, you've heard from my family, and we talked about my focus on vision, voice, and value. Now I ask you to support me in my candidacy for 2020 C.A.R. Treasurer. Thank you for watching.